So I don't tell you, I don't want you. I don't want you. Last chance to go. We go. He remain one. We go vamoose. Last chance. I have in the back. Carry now. You must carry. One carry the ticket. He remain one. We go. One chance. Go. One. Take. He remain. Try to go. He remain one. We go. One time. Okay, you go. Okay. What to do? Bring the money now. Push it. Sure. When is my one of us to come here? Look at that side. How much you make? The money plenty. How many buses have you load? Last 7 buses that we load today. We'll try. What we'll do is make a rush go see my wife for us. You always have not even watched past my own because I go village now to go see Chief. You must share this money well. Wait now, the one that I do so. Which one for you? This one for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one for you. This money well. How much? How much? I'm putting out for you now. No. Take that. 9. Give me now. See, only 5. 9. Hold on. Take this one. What am I? Take me out. See how that's it. This one I'm out. Take. What am I on now? You owe 600 naira. I mean, I'm not seeing this one now. See one way to make for you. That be this one. Man, I don't quarrel. Give me back. My own 600 naira. Take this 40 naira. I'm not taking this one. I've been waiting. Take this one. You know the travel again. No, wait, I the travel and wait. What do you do this? Give me one. You still do this one? What do you mean by still look at this one? Give me. So what that's it? Hey, all of our get boy. I think yeah. We got stuff for here. Now we tell you men don't get boy. I think come. Now I'll just never go out.
Come, maybe they go.
Wait.
Maybe they go. I don't get that kind of time, oh. Maybe they go. Come.
It's alright, don't worry.
Okay, come, maybe they go. I don't get that kind of time, oh.
Alright. Don't worry. Sorry, my brother. Come, Grace!
Nice.
Where are your children? In fact, where's Evelyn?
Evelyn!
Call.
Ifeoma!
Thank you.
I don't know where they are.
Hey.
No, you're welcome.
Leave my bag. I'm asking you something. And is my bag more important than Evelyn? Where are your daughters?
I didn't know when they left the house.
You don't know. And you are supposed to be their mother. In the house, a mother in the house does not know the whereabouts of her two daughters in this village. That some young boys are dangling their manhood with hood to men. And you left your daughters loose for them to become victims.
Nani, I was busy preparing your meal since you said you're coming in for the cabinet meeting.
Oh, give me that's the reason. My meal what? Does my meal outweigh my daughters? Your daughters are outside there trying to look for anything on trousers. This one is at this junction, the other one is under this junction. Oh, Momo. It cannot happen. And you're a mother. You're preparing meal. Let me tell you, Grace, you do not know. You will not know when they get pregnant. Neither will you know when they deliver. And you won't even know the maternity. And my wage, I will not take it. I won't. I will not take that in this family. You are supposed to bring these children up. You're not supposed to be throwing them with you. If you see the kind of idiots, they were some people who are even wearing half trousers that have torn all every part, including the buttocks. Those are not the kind of people I want to talk to my children. You know? I was young.
Hey. Nine. What are you doing?
Can't you see what I'm doing? I'm getting cane.
Cane of what?
To flog some cows.
Cow?
Yes. Those are children. Today.
Oh. So it's my children you're calling cow?
Are they not cows? Do they behave like human beings? Are they not cows?
Nai, please don't use this on them. Please.
Are you going to take it on their behalf? So I begin to flog you.
Nai, please don't use this on them, please. They are children, Nai, because they just grow up like a Greek.
Like a Greek? So you use my house as poultry. You should have told me that we are raising poultry here, farm, instead of children. Huh? I will not allow it in this house. Ajum.
Nine, please don't use this on them. When they come back, I will talk to them.
You are not worrying about that one. You do the talking, I'll do the acting. I'll act on them while you talk to them. Come, are you taking it on their behalf?
You will not flog them. You will not use it on them. You will not use it on them.
I'm going to use it on you. Grace,
you can't
leave this in. Grace, leave this in.
Grace,
Grace, I'm your husband. I can't you. Grace,
Mama, it scared me. It scared me. Why? Papa is still down. So, is that why you're standing here? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Papa, let's go inside. Are you a baby? Are we kids? Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Come. Listen, the two of you. Start telling me where you have gone to, why you are standing on the road path with idiots. I will design a better tattoo on your body than the one you have on your body already with this cane.
Papa, I was just discussing about our youth service with him. That's what I was doing.
With a mechanic? Did you go to mechanic school?
He's a graduate though.
Who's a graduate?
He studied engineering.
Who? That
I was just trying to see me through about the youth service, how it's going to everything.
Okay, he's not your lecturer. Or somebody who is director of youth service. He studied engineering. From a graduate, he's now the director of youth service. Is that what you're trying to tell me? That person I saw there, he finished graduating and want to use you as case study for his postgraduate. Huh? Will you tell me the truth? And you thought you were very clever. You're cleverer than your father. You're trying to dodge. Well, your father will any day be more clever than you will ever be. So open your mouth and tell me, who are those idiots?
No, Papa. I just went to buy something on the road and
when did you start to stammer? No. You want to buy something? Who sent you for something?
Nai, please. Just forgive them. I will talk to them, please. I will talk to them.
Ozu, Grace, this is the first and the last you come. Can't I talk to my children again without your policing me? Now, if you do not start talking, let you go. Listen, man, you're getting Biko, don't use this on them now, Biko. Before. Why is this? Why are you lying down by this time of the day? Are you well?
My brother, you know this morning food, after eating it you feel like sleeping. When did you come back?
I'm just coming back. I just said let me run along and see you first before.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Mother, the food is ready.
Hey, the way this guy they feed me, afternoon food already now. Oh yeah, they come inside.
Come. Is it not Uju, your small sister?
That's Uju now. But don't call her small girl. She will get annoyed.
So grown. Yeah. Uju, I thought they say you're at school.
Yes, sir. I'm in school, but I'm almost through.
School is almost past tense now.
True.
Hey. We should be talking about marriage. In a few months, Uju is a married woman.
Huh? Married to her books or what?
Look at you. I don't know where she met one boy like that who has been on my neck. I was here one day when the boy came with her. Hey, Uju, I love her. I want to marry Uju. I want to pay the private. I want to.
Are you serious?
I said, who am I? If you people love each other, go ahead.
You mean it?
My brother, the boy has been a God sent. How? He has been the one sustaining us. Whenever he comes, once he's leaving, something is staying back.
You mean he...
Better money?
That boy is not your savior.
Our savior.
In fact, that boy should be your doom. Because of the little dash, little small, that's why you're lying down by this time of the day. Using your sister's investment is wrong.
Meaning what now?
Meaning that you have to come to the town and...
Does everybody come and stand under the sun at the motor park with you?
Hey, you come to the city, hustle for other things, hustle for a lot of things. Because somebody is giving you dash. Are you going to live on the dash?
What did they worry you? If people who get work, come out the talk, you follow the talk. That's not work.
What will it be?
Start for some, morning till night be work. Sometimes, all those drivers wait don't go give you some slaps.
That way will not be work. But I'm using the tango job to train my children, you know that?
Congrats.
So something is coming out of it.
Congratulations.
You know? But I'm surprised at this one.
For that area, Uju has a special anointing. If I should send her out there now, before she buys something across the road and returns, 4 men are already following her. All wanting to marry her.
Marriage? And my children come.
God bless her for that side though.
Why is it that my own daughters don't have that kind of luck? I just don't know. Instead of attracting men like Uju, they attract men. If you go to all these corners of this, in bad corners, that's why you see my daughters, they take them unfinished buildings. It's so unfortunate, but that's not the reason why you should be staying here.
Are you jealous?
Am I jealous? I'm trying to make you be a man. You see, look at you now, you're becoming like a gidi, which is not fit. But today dull, it dry well.
I don't tire.
I don't know what's in there.
I don't tire. You see Mega?
Mega. Any hope?
No hope, I beg, no hope. Maybe yours dry. Yeah?
This is not time.
See, I want smoke. I might get 20 there. Madam!
Don't even say make you give you this and I say you want smoke. Food no there, but like they smoke. You know they're hungry.
See. You will come on, go house to come back. You know, see 29. I mean, wait till I go give you 29.
If I don't come, madam, I'll carry money now.
Yeah, now, make I take cigar and smoke.
No look me with this thing I carry for hand. Now credit now collect her. You go pay. But wait till it be next week. You never do anything.
See, guy. After today, I know sure I go come here again.
Why?
I don't get better job for my village when I go do. Where go they pay me passes on that they do for here. Yeah, they come out to.
Which job we was that? Which certificate we get? We go take collect job. We get certificate never collect better job now.
You go school.
You don't say. Una no don't understand. Say you say some not graduate. You know. Forget the thing saying they do agboro here. Me I carry my OND. JJ.
OND for loading and offloading.
You know say this guy is not a believer because all of us they pack.
What do you want to do for village? You see every day village. What do you want to do for there? I know. What are you doing there? What do you want to do for there?
He concern you. As I go my village, go work. The work when I do there, now for the youth of my village.
Wherever they go, maybe they put ourselves for line. If they go there, they put me for line.
For waiting.
You no go no. I say
this is from my village. You come from my village. I said the job now for you to come from my village. They will not accept that side.
I'll not tell you.
God,
I'll not tell you now.
All the clerk we don't have. I mean, when I don't get this from here, don't get internal revenue.
How's that?
All the workers are from
here. Sit down here.
You know what point is there? I don't tell you here.
You know your own destiny na for park. You don't get village. You for the follow.
No problem now.
Oh,
we go see now.
Who go follow?
Let me do some. We go see. You go. You come back. Come meet me here. We go to together for here again.
Well, sit down. Man, give you 1 day of free.
Hey,
Madam, you don't go drink alcohol. Now 1 shot of pen. But I get give her 1 shot. I go buy. You know how much this will be? Sell your food. Who they go?
We don't go.
But today dry. Well. Now this guy they
I don't need them.
Boy, see why they told you so. No, we. No, come one more. Where? Not be passengers. What happened? What happened? Come in the door. They wait for you. Not again now. So they wait for you now. But boy, I don't know. Instead of to stand there, where that granite, where that girl with the cigarette. Me, I think this will make a man abandon this job. He must do business. Which business? You know a man now. Maybe he don't join this online business. You say that boy, who like money? Who don't like money? This is a 419 band I like. See, if I say 419, you know better pass say every day we do under the sun. We shout our voice, we the crack. I'm too sure, but I don't want to see how that is so. See. Now to open your eye, put your leader for ground. All this, see, they talk about go for one that will be hit. Life for your life. Hey, you got to begin. Don't load your motor.
Load waiting. Load waiting. There's no work today. So, nobody did this park now. Now me, I don't tire for this kind of park work.
Why you go tire?
Park work, I don't tire. Everybody travel.
Who won't carry them? Maybe people when they travel, when they load desire. I don't want to let people when they travel. See, I'm telling you. What's in the I'm going now. Yeah, so I make it down now. Hey, you pop again. How many?
How are you?
Hello, Ife. What's up?
What are you doing here?
My sister, I've been waiting for this man since morning.
The project supervisor, right?
Yes, so my sister. I thought you were through.
And I'm still waiting on him. The man asked me to pay 30,000.
Are you serious?
I'll stick with him. So, I mean, what's delaying yours anyway?
Can you believe that man asked me to pay the sum of 50,000 naira and to also pay for 2 nights at Unique Hotel?
He did?
Yes. I just don't want to involve my cousin in this.
I think you should just get him involved. I think so.
Because he will be really mad at me for not telling him sense.
What does it matter? I wish I had someone who could do this for me too.
Can you believe I even offered that man 20,000 naira and he refused?
He did?
Yes, he did. He bluntly refused and asked me to go and pay for Unique Hotel.
Is that not Ifoma?
Yes.
Yeah. Ifoma, what happened?
Ify, are you okay?
What is it? You just left the house yesterday. Is the school closed or what? I'm talking to you, what is it?
Emma, it's my supervisor. My project supervisor, Mama, he's just frustrating me. I'm just frustrated.
That same lecturer, B?
Yeah, he's the one.
What happened?
Mama, I was the very first person person that submitted my projects to that man. But that man has refused to approve of it. He doesn't want to approve my project. He said unless I go and wait for him in an hotel or I pay him 30,000 before he would do anything about it.
Give the bamba Mukomoka. Let thunder kill him there. What kind of nonsense is this? Why would he ask you to go to the hotel room to wait for him? Is that how the lecturers behave in school?
Mama, it's not all the lecturers that behave like that.
Why would this one ask her to go to the hotel room to wait for him? What for? Is that where she's defending her project?
No.
What kind of nonsense is this? Can't you report him to your headmaster?
Mama, he's not headmaster. He's vice chancellor.
Whoever they are reporting to, that man should be reported. Why would the government look into this? What kind of nonsense is this? Why would teachers be harassing students all over the place, asking you to go to the hotel room to wait for him? Ever can you defend project again? Is that when you defend your project? Don't that one go ever.
It's okay.
So now, if you don't give him 30,000 naira, you will not do your project. Or if you don't go to the hotel room, you will not do your project. Una hope one message.
Drink. Tell us the Imaju, car owner. Imaju, I'm waiting for you. That community business. Wait till this community business come. Tell us what the white people do. See, for my village now, as I talk to you, so development they go on. Some people they come, they build house. Another people will come, they go build factory. So my own job, tell me how they do inside, I go organize boys. We go look for all those people where they build new houses. When we see them, we collect development levy, foundation goat levy, even the goat for the foundation day, for the levy too. Then women levy, student levy, youth copper levy, waka pass levy, cough levy, even self, entry levy.
They no carry you go court.
Which court? How person go from a village, come another man down, come begin build house, you no go collect approval. Now that approval and who they give her?
From who now?
Son of the soil.
Did they give?
Why they no go give? Now they get her.
Hey, I understand now. For my village, I see boys, they drive around with machine, Okada. They share who they building new houses. Now that one.
Now the business with that.
Yeah, you know they do it for you. See, this thing don't remind me of something. You know, you get one time where I tell you, I say, I want to go travel, so we go to meeting with our Igbo.
That time now?
I want to go and give hint that time, say, the airport for our state, send for my village, they want site them, so they don't approve them.
Airport?
People, they want buy plot very close to the airport. Everybody. So that's why I give me money.
Oh yeah, boy.
That is.
Now you still there here. What do you do for here? They shout every day for park.
We kill ourselves for there.
Airport day for your village. Make I just advise you. Just go village, go gather boys. Begin collect money. If they pay pass for your company, see me now.
Man, I dey high now. This is what you tell me. I dey. Them I want chop your money. I want chop. Come, we're not going to chop chicken. Order! Bring chicken!
Bring everything!
Bring everything! Bring costly!
Who they bring all of them here? Bang! I be back here!
hope your mother is safe.
Mama!
How do you?
Papa is back, oh!
Yes, sir.
Papa, welcome.
Nine. You still have not told me why you came back with all your property.
Is it not taboo for a man to come back to his village? Kanjo.
I hope you've not committed another crime.
Did I commit any before?
What sent you out of General Cotton Mill? Was it not because you stole?
Please, even you, that I trusted to believe what I said. Even you who knows very well that I was framed up. That I was accused falsely of embezzling the money I didn't even see. You pretended you were on my side then. So this is through you. You still believe I stole money. Thank you for letting it out. It's alright. But in this case, this is my village. I built this house. With the money, with the stolen money, I built this house that you're living in. Enugo, I'm here to stay. You can't push me out.
Oh, you have come to stay?
Yes.
You have come to stay? Anyway, all I'm saying is that you must keep providing for this house, whether you like it or not. You know, you have come back to stay.
Have I not been providing for you before? Have I not been providing? Look at you, you look like a bell cricket. Is it not my food that you're eating to make you this fat? You're reminding me my duty. What the woman? So she still believes us too.
Please, I want to talk to you.
Not now, I'm not in the mood. Please.
Papa, please, it's very important.
What is it?
I'm having problems in school.
Problems? What kind of problems? I hope it's no money problem, because I don't have.
It's my supervisor, Papa. He will not approve of my project. He will not approve of it until I give him what he's requesting for.
Which is?
30,000 naira. Or
what?
Sleep with me.
Well, I don't have 30,000 naira. If you bring me and put me into a bucket and put detergent, you cannot wash off up to half of that amount. So there's nothing I can do. Are you the only person having the problem in school? Don't you have other students?
Why are you saying this?
I am saying it because if it's not peculiar to you, there must be some of your friends in school who must have passed through such a problem. Go there and seek their advice. Ask them how they intend to pass through their own or how they have passed through it. And then join the queue. That's all I can say. As for the money, I don't have. Did you know? Ifeoma, please go. I'm losing my head. Look, Wabufu, some people are born great, while some other ones are born to push them to greatness. That is what I want to tell you.
See, I never know you to be teacher or philosopher, so all this parable they talk, so I don't understand them. Sit down, make a drink.
Wabufu, why are you like this? Why are you not ambitious? Since we were working in the factory, it's just the same thing. You don't have hope and you don't even want to have hope. You're just lazy about.
And that one I will take from you. Meaning what now?
Am I telling lies?
How you see yourself? Oh, you they go use former eye, they look yourself. Forget that thing. Forget that thing. That time don't pass where you will come give me order, push me up and down. Here na GCM. Here na my house. Oh. You cannot come here and insult me. Once your boss, always your boss. That time don't pass. Now me and you the village. I beg.
What before? You know you used to call me chief. Why you stop?
That time you be chief now, you still be chief. The time when you be chief storekeeper don't pass.
Alright.
You know hear them?
Alright. Call me chief as you used to call me and I will surprise you.
You be like you know the understand what I talk. The same day, now they give me and you letter. Same day, now they sack us, drive us, come out for the company. We come back village here, you say you chief of where?
I said call me chief and I will employ you, give you appointment and then tell you your salary now.
That's way they work, now they call work abi? Agbero. So if I want to Agbero now, you will come apply to. Forget it, I will not try it. Me, Agbero.
What before? You know to miss opportunity is just by telling I go count 3. If you no call me chief, I go with my package. 1.
Wait till they give you this confidence. No, I won't know. 2. If I waste this chief, you don't give me anything, you know like I'm
2.5.
My chef. Chef, my chef.
Oh yes. Now we are talking.
Never sit down. Where you go?
Don't worry.
Where the thing?
I'm not employing you in police, so I have to sit down to give you the results. Babufo, from now on, you are going to be my personal CSO, Chief Security Officer. Big salary.
You. Who you be? You know go first be. Well, you at least you go get one position where you hold before I go begin do your chief security officer.
Drink. Come and see America wonder. Come and see America wonder. You're employed.
Listen.
This one is not. It be like say, I'm giving you executive job, chief security officer.
Good afternoon, sirs.
Good afternoon.
Would you?
Which way did you start this one?
Would you?
Wabisco.
The drinks nearly go the wrong way.
Yes, so.
Hi.
I did they go the right way.
Listen, they add pepper for this thing.
No block waiting at the top. The pepper.
Wait.
Pepper now.
You don't hear the person which they call Uju. You don't hear them.
If it's called Wako, I hear it, all of them go mean another thing. So leave that thing.
You say everybody do like you.
I know where
Drink
you
This one Papa came back with all his load. Is he planning to stay permanently in this village?
I really don't care if he's staying or not. Because if it's not because of that stupid lecture that I delayed my project, by now I should have just been preparing for my youth service and I'll just leave this house.
Anyway, let's forget Papa and his wahala. Ifoma, I want to ask you for a favor.
What's that?
Daniel is going to bring a gift from me in this house. I just want you to be around to receive it.
What gift?
I'm going to submit my assignments.
Alright. I'll miss you. Wow. That's nice. I'm gonna love it.
And don't forget to tell her that I love her. I miss her so much. I hope you remember.
Yes, my father is back.
Welcome, sir.
Who are you, young man, and what are you doing here? What are you doing there, Are you feeling cold?
No, sir.
Then what are you doing in my house? And I saw you sitting down. Who asked you to sit down in my house? Ifoma?
Yeah, Papa.
Okay. Ifoma, you are now the authority over this house.
No, Papa, he came to Evelyn, see Evelyn.
Oh. You, Evelyn, the two of them once?
No.
Dimpa. You come for Evelyn and you met Informer.
No, sir.
You converted.
No, sir. I just came to see. I came to see Evelyn.
What are you hiding? What's that thing you're hiding?
Papa, nylon. He brought.
You brought nylon. What's inside? What's inside the nylon? Okay, you share nylon. Where is my own nylon? Let me see the nylon.
It's nylon, Papa.
Can I see the nylon? What? You drop them. Let me see. Nokia. Who has it?
It's just a phone, a harmless gift.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, harmless gift from a harmful boy. I'm impressed. So you bought it for Evelyn. You work in the bank?
No, sir.
So where do you work to buy this?
I hustle. Hustle?
Yes, sir. Oh, you work in Hustle Incorporated. Huh? Hustle! And you have this thing to buy phone for my daughter. You have enough money, a hustler, to buy phone for my daughter. Oh, that's your technique. You want to woo my daughter with phone?
No, sir, it's not what you think. I just came to see her. Say, let me buy the.
Okay, tell me, what do I think?
Eh?
What was I thinking before? Search my mind. You are fidgeting. Listen, let me tell you, young man. Next time I see you around this vicinity, in fact, one pole around my compound, I'll cut off your legs. Go and ask about me in this community. You should know. Do you understand what I'm saying? Never you in your life dream to come close to any of my daughters. You are close to two of them. I can see that. This is the first and this is the last. You know? It's a problem. Get out and let me warn you. Never in your life. Don't ever dream of crossing this gate. This is how we keep encouraging them. Listen, if you want to meet them, go and meet them where you normally meet. Not in my house. Harmless gift. For Evelyn. Okay, I get it.
Hey.
Mama, how now? Where are you going to?
Charge card, I want to go and buy card.
Okay.
Did Daniel bring my gift?
He did. Hey, you don't be so excited though, because your father seized the phone. Papa seized it.
Papa seized my phone?
Exactly. The boy just had to leave. Even me, I couldn't do anything. I just had to let it go. Listen,
No,
don't
Papa
worry. Do not be upset. Me, I need that guys to collect your phone from Papa. That's if you want to.
Mama, Papa hates me. I don't know why he's picking on me
He
like
doesn't
this.
hate you. It is you. You need to let Papa stop riding on you. He's riding on you. You need to go and talk to him. Tell him how you feel. Tell him the phone is yours and you need to go and talk to Papa. Tell Papa to give you back your phone. You need to stop doing all this baby thing. Are you a child? You're an adult, exactly. So you need to let him know that you are now an adult and you need your phone back. You need to be very firm with that. If you're not firm with him, your phone will go. Just go there and get your phone. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to go and get my card. I'm not saying to go and cry in your room or go and talk to your father.
Careless. Yeah? I'll not have to come and repatriate from here to here. And they think money is easy. You don't know what the toil I had to go through to get this house erected.
Papa! Papa!
Who is Papa?
Papa, where's my phone?
What did you say?
Where's my phone that my friend Daniel brought to the house?
And who's your friend Daniel?
Daniel is my fiance.
Your fiance Daniel. Your friend, your fiance Daniel. When did it happen? You should have told us that you are giving yourself out in marriage. At least you should have told your mother. So maybe through gossip, I will hear it. I thought you were intelligent. I never knew you were so cheap. Look at you. I sent you to school. You are still undergraduate. You have not graduated. You have already chosen Daniel from the den of lion to save you. And
Papa, I'm a grown-up. I have the right to choose whoever it is I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Who told you are grown up? Who watered you to grow? Look at you. Listen, no child of mine is going to be that cheap. When I was younger, that's it. So the popular saying, "Sweet chingom eja laputo mabogo nezuzu ezuzu." So now, common phone. Somebody deposited a phone on your lap and you gave your life to him forever. You threw your life into the gutter because that boy is gutter as far as I'm concerned. You have grown to choose who you are going to marry in life. I'm going to concentrate on your studies. No child of mine will be taken that easy, that cheaply. And who knows how many times you have wetted his bed because of common phone.
Papa.
Moha, Papa. He, Mama. And you have the effrontery. Who even gave you the liver to talk to me like this? When did you grow up? Tell that boy, any day that boy's leg crosses this gate again, I will make him an amputee. I will cut off those two legs. It's either he ends in hospital or he sinks 6 feet below.
Papa, me have told you, Daniel is the man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You think you have a life? So one phone and you dash your life away. Ndo. Sorry, Evelyn, Ndo. You want to spend it? Do you have a life? You don't even know what is la, not to talk of putting knife there. Just to put a even name. You are grown 1 million come. Look at your lips on the mirror. You see, it will tell you when last you sucked your mother's breast or tested with the bottle. You are grown up. And
you know that every single plot of land on that side has been sold? We have to start working immediately.
Not only on that site, all the sites, there are many sites in this community. All of them are under us. Yeah. Do you have nothing to fear?
You can walk anywhere, everywhere. Okay.
The only thing have you assembled those boys? The people who are interested in joining us?
They are ready. They are all ready. They're just waiting for you to blow the final whistle so that they can swing into action. Hey.
Soon.
But there's a problem. I've been thinking, how do we handle the Igwe and the Chies?
Who are the Igwe? Who is the Igwe? Who are the Chies? I am an Ichie.
Yes, but you are just one person in the midst of how many people?
I am one person that is greater than 12 persons. I am one person that is greater than 12.
If you say so.
Listen, the Igwe council, don't even think about them. Just ask those boys to assemble at the village square. Let me even address them.
Better.
Openly. To tell you how open I am.
Better.
Okay, relax, don't let it.
Whatever you have is okay. Anything. You know, say, we are brandless.
So if I bring urine, will you take it?
That one cannot come. So long as if I put it in, it can sway this head.
Alright.
is getting tired. The horse is getting tired. The horse needs energy.
You're so nice. I have broken your waist.
I'm so tired.
Don't worry, I'll do that for you. You're my queen now. Come on. Yeah. That's my baby. You're so beautiful.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much for understanding. My father is just one man I know how to love.
It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's your father. Hi. Your father is just too harsh. He's so harsh. Sometimes I wonder, how do you cope with him at home?
I'm so sorry. So how is your sister, your family, your mother?
Oh, they're all fine. Everybody's fine. My sister got the admission.
Are you serious? Oh.
You're fine.
How many times have I warned you to stay clear of my daughter? How many times have I warned you to stay clear? I'm a woman. You can't never. Idiot. I have warned you on several occasions. If there are jokers in this community, I am not one of them. You should know that. How many times? I will pour hot water inside your ear for you to be opened.
I don't understand, sir.
What don't you understand? What are you doing while you doing with my daughter? Every day I keep warning you.
Sir? We were just discussing.
That is tossing. After discussion, what follows? After tossing, you begin to play the real ball. Is that not right? Look, I was a young man like you. I know where the heat is at any particular moment. Desist from getting close to my children, my daughter. Do you understand what I'm saying? There is a saying, never touch a tiger by the tail. You know this thing I'm just telling you is warning. The first and the last. It's not the first though, because I've warned you severally. It's the last warning. Try it again, you will be in soup. Sorry. You idiot who calls herself my daughter. No more best in motor.
What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of embarrassment is this? Why must we keep embarrassing these people all the time? Ah, Ogedede, will he marry you? Let him go and come back and meet me here. What kind of nonsense is that? Onyaabo, why are you always disturbing these children from having relationship with the opposite sex? Will you marry them?
Looks like you are insane. So you are the person who encouraged them to having relationships with opposite sex, with opposite idiots, not even men. Huh? You call yourself a mother?
For goodness sake, they are all grown-ups. They know what is good for them. I mean, they should be allowed to make their choices.
You might as well ask me to assemble all the young men of this community so that they can make their pick. They can pick their choices. If you are a good mother like you claim to be, you should be advising your children to make better choices like you made. That's what you should do. People with ambition.
Papa Daniel has ambition.
Has ambition. His ambition ends on your waistline. He has ambition.
Because leave them alone. When you married me, what did you have?
I had ambition.
What ambition?
Which eventually materialized into this roof over your head. That was the result of my ambition then.
What roof? What roof with the stolen money?
Oh, stolen money. Oh, is that your accusation now? Now, what did they say? Behind every successful thief or armed robber, there is a woman. And you happen to be a champion in advice on armed robbery. And that was why we are successful. Over there. Thank you.
I've told you, don't let them be. Let them be. Go and
line up bed for them. And then go around the signboard. Can't walk off. So that men will be trooping in. Food is ready.
Just allow them to leave.
And you, look at you, are you not ashamed? That of all places where people take you is an unfinished building. They're a disgrace. At least they should go and pay for hotel room. Instead of Nafifia, my own children. Pray.
Please just leave them alone. Rapu Haka, leave them alone. You're just disgracing them all over the place. I think one day they will not get married.
Probably must have been told why you are gathered here. You see, a lot of things are happening in this community that does not favor youths. So we are here to favor youth. That's why we gathered you.
Of course.
Foreigners come here, they buy land. Almost half of our lands are gone. Now, could you ask yourself the question? If they sell all these land, they finish selling them, which land are you going to sell tomorrow?
Oh.
Which land are you going to build on when you make your own money tomorrow?
Nothing.
If you want to build a house, where are you going to build?
Oh.
So why should we allow foreigners to come and take over our land? It's not done at all. As we start, if you look at my flank, you will see one before here. Able-bodied men who have sacrificed themselves for your interest. You will see last year. Nobody is paying us. We sat down and then thought of how best to protect the interests of the youth of this community. We are just being magnanimous. We acquired this very office with our own money.
You don't know how much.
Why? Because we saw something going wrong. When you are doing this, you do not fear, because we are fighting for your rights.
Yes.
People do not have to come from outside, come and invade our community, take all our lands, and then forget that our youths will come tomorrow to require that land. Yes, sir. And we say we are behind you. If you see anybody, any construction going on anywhere, the only thing you have to do is to run to this very office. Or if you see any one of us on the road, tell us.
Yes, sir.
Gather your friends, tell all that, so we haven't even finished. Gather all the youths. Yes, the more we are, the better for all of us.
Hey! Something don't happen. Can you imagine? Hey! I diverse.
Hey! Onyabo for this town! Who will Onyabo to ignore us for this town? Onyabo!
Hey!
Eh? Hey! You see, as in just carry on village boys. Come to face like saying no source. Like say we know they exist for this town. Onyabo!
Joko, listen. I know Sabi talk much. My question is, waiting be the plan B. Now I won't know now.
Plan B?
Yeah.
You well at all? No worry yourself. Onyabo, we go silence Onyabo for this village. I talk her. And so it go be.
Aye.
You feel me? And so it go be. The guy no rich.
Imagine this man. Just leave town. Leave Abro work where they do for town. Come down to the village, begin to manipulate things. Where we dey?
And this guy go hammer for this game. Oh.
Before uncle.
We no reason this non time.
Ba. Makuda. I say Makuda, you know say you think we know they our mind. You know come our mind in time. But as it be now, this town, now town. Onyabo don't fit do anything for this town. Now we get this town.
We go upon all this our big brain. Why we no think of this? Why we no fit reason? This thing na big money day here.
Now who they did that one now? Now who you want put that blame for now?
I dey blame all of us. See big score. No nothing there inside.
You as it is so now, what did they use this brain do?
Aye.
Now just to sit down, smoke, drink
to get the higher.
Calm down, my friend.
No, just begin to abuse me here.
See, make I tell you.
You uncle.
Not only this brain gonna carry everything. What you come make into the game?
Upon as big as your score be, you know if you use and you reason.
Danga, no use your mouth for me. No, just try am. No use your mouth for me.
Forget that.
Danga, make una show una true talk.
Which kind of thing we be? What you the reason?
Oh, answer more.
Like to go draw lines for your head. What is this? Make una show this guy no go door with the door.
Hey, va. Cool and there. This line I see I draw for this hair. What they do? Now brain now I don't give now. Brain. You can't bring with this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, see what you got. Cool down.
That man Onyabo, na small fry. Na small fry him be.
You see as it would be now.
I beg, give me the.
See what you happen now, see?
I see Onyabo.
See as it would be now. You think we know there are mine before. But now, as I tell you now, the kind thing we did this hair.
Come out. Though you never late, but come out. You no remember, be say you no remember. No, just this is me and I'm saying it. Yeah.
You use a man for me?
No, we no remember, na lie. We no remember. Simple business where money go to follow come out. Now we know see plenty people they build house. Somebody live out walk from town, come down to village.
Make we see the way they go take operate for this town.
Exactly.
Not for this town.
Now where they reason.
Now say local.
Now where they reason.
Say local. We get there for this town. We there for.
Go appreciate baby, we shake and beg. And you see the guy na beans.
We there for this town.
You no rich.
No reach.
You no go door, you go door.
Oh, hi, man.
Say local.
Yeah, we know the door. And we no go door.
I go take door.
You dey feel me? We no go door.
We take door for this town.
Why didn't you tell me this all this while? Why should you girls allow these lecturers to be messing you guys up?
I know nothing was What's up? Has Dr. maybe cleared you?
No.
What's the problem?
My supervisor, he said I need to pay him 30,000 naira or sleep with him before he can approve my project. Yeah.
My goodness. Is it the same lecturer? Same guy we just came out from his place?
Yes, he is.
Come in.
Why are you also dealing with this young girl's problem?
What type of question is that? Look, young man, you don't have any atom of respect. How dare you barge into my office to take my academic job? You were here earlier and I saw a problem with Sophia, who you claimed is your cousin. How come you're here again? Please, out of my office. I said, get out of my office.
Are you ordering me out of this office?
Out of my office this minute. How dare you ask an academic dumb, silly questions? Out of my office. I said, out of my office.
I will deal with you. I promise you that. People like you should be swept off our universities. You want to sleep with her or 30,000 naira, right?
Yes. Fine.
You will get it. I am Major Frank, and I will make sure you are sacked today.
No, sorry. I was actually trying to make sure that they know all.
Where's our project?
Sure, it's ready. Very ready. Very ready. Sure.
Hand it over. I'm not done with you.
It's fine.
Major is fine, sir.
Beautiful. Okay.
Thank you so much for the help. I really don't know what I would have done without your assistant. Thank you.
It's okay. The dean has taken over the case. I'll also pursue it and make sure that guy is sacked.
Personally, I want him out of this school because if nothing is done, the younger students will definitely get it hard.
Don't worry about it. I've taken care of it.
Sir, please, can I have your phone number so that my mom can also call you and thank you?
Okay, cool. Sophia, give her my number.
Thanks, God.
Why did you stop my boys from work?
My friend, who are you? Who you be, sir?
My name is Vincent Okoye, Chairman Vinesco Oil and Gas Limited.
I beg you, leave that thing. Chairman Vinesco Oil and Gas Limited. What in concern with that one? We said we get chairman for you. Wait, make him come in full at all. Which one be
president? God knows who you be.
Hello.
Chairman.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, who are you?
My name is Vincent Okoye, Chairman Vinesco Oil and Gas Limited.
I'm not interested in what you're chairman of.
Thank you.
I overheard you say they stopped your boys from work and probably don't know why. They stopped them from work because you have not paid the necessary dues that you are supposed to pay. So when you pay it, you can start work.
Pay for what?
Look at him. You say pay what? Huh? Thunder fire you there. What you say pay what? That's not where they build your packet.
Yes.
Are you from this community?
Look at that. We're talking this stuff. Your God will punish your generation. Even you're talking.
I came here to explain things for you, and after explaining, you started talking.
Chairman, I use God beg you. Just one permission to give this man slap.
Slap person because this is illegal.
Chairman, make it slap back.
No, leave her.
Why will they hold the slap? Who go collect him?
Leave this slap. If you don't say anything, we'll go hang him for work. That's all right. Leave him. Just ignore this man. How much is his money, sir? How much? Calculate this in and let's just make sure.
Is it not that land around Bogide?
Nah, that man wey no dey ever come side. Every day we go there, we no go see him. Go there, no go see him.
Oh, Onojie went to that?
Yes.
Oh, it's a small house, and he's even here playing big. How much is this? Calculate and give to him. He doesn't pay, let him leave us.
How much? Chairman, everything is about 52,000.
50 waiting. You don't know where that side dey? That area na 70.
No, but it's a small house now.
Not be by house now. That area na by area.
Okay, yes. I never had this one. Plus 18.
Okay, so
70,000.
You have had it. So, if you have your money to pay, you pay 70,000, collect your receipt, and then you go and start work there.
But the money is illegal.
You still talking?
You say what?
Illegal.
You say the money is illegal. Thunder, fire you.
That is illegal. Ignore this man, let us ahead. What is the next this thing that we're talking about? This man telling me that's illegal.
Those people near that filling station for that they see the one collect 70,000 there and give you the check.
Community money, now we dey collect the levy. Many years they don't cheat us from our land.
You hold the money since then to let us have you.
People they suffer. This levy is to make the community better. If you don't want to pay the levy,
now that you go come out, I don't know if they can
don't throw away your receipt. Levy. Everybody must pay the levy. Foundation levy. Now we dey collect the levy. Where your receipt? Everybody must
sorry, next generation people, look next generation people.
Now we dey collect the levy. The money's not for me. Everybody must pay the levy. Community money.
So what we are saying is, have this one and buy friends, you poor people.
Everybody must pay the levy. Woman da brodo. Now we dey collect the levy. Everybody must pay the levy.
Now the cloth, this is you cause. Now you cause. As I talk, say 52, you go remind me oil and gas. You know, say there is no way God. Now me cause it. Now you cause this one. No be so busy. Why go start from 52? You know, we start from 100. See. It's okay. You know, we forgot that the man said oil and gas. We couldn't be. Now you supposed to. I think say they lie. See, the cloth don't resemble oil and gas. How you know they use cloth? Sit down. Now, if we mistakenly tell this guy 400, he will pay. That guy will pay. That guy will pay.
It's okay. So let that one go. Chairman,
bad business.
We will learn.
Bad business.
Okay, fine. Hey, what is giving these boys these muscles? There must be something that is urging them, that is supporting them. If not, they will not have this courage.